Today, I'm going to ask you, my viewers, for help, and hopefully, I can get it from one of you smart guys out there. I was going to make a self-balancing cube, and they said to use 24H motors made by NIDEC, NIDEC, NIDEC. And so I ordered it from Amazon. They were quite expensive. And what happened was that when it came, uh, these three I ordered, and they came, and they don't have 8 wires as I expected, but they have 12 wires. And I found on the internet this layout. Maybe I should maybe I should show it on this camera. This layout where it explains supposedly which wire goes to what, but I'm not 100% sure. And what I'll do is I'm going to show you there is a secondary number. Put it on this camera here. Uh, Let me flip it so you can see it. So it has it's an IDEC. It's 24H, and then these numbers are H055M020, and um, uh, it's an a. It's not that this piece of paper I showed you earlier. Uh, I couldn't make it work, so I contacted the person who makes that self-balancing cube, and he said that I have the wrong motor. So I went and I ordered a different a different motor, which one has 6 wires. And again, this is upside down because of my camera, the way I have it configured. And as you can see, this is a different model number. And then it has that secondary number underneath and that AX number. And I still couldn't make it work, even though I wired it according to the schematic. And the schematic looks like this. And so what I'm asking is if there is somebody who knows how to uh, connect this to an Arduino and control it with the 12 wires. And because when I went to the NIDEC company, they have like a bunch of sub companies, and I asked them for tech support, and I got nowhere, literally. They said, "Oh, we are not the right one, and we are not the people you want to talk to. You want to leave a message at the tech support at the night," which I did, and it never got a back answer, anything from them. I'm quite surprised because supposedly NIDEC is a Japanese company, and they make lots of different motors like these, and so I'm frustrated. To say at least, because I spent a lot of money on these, and unfortunately they are not performing, or I cannot even make them work because the schematic, if I hook it up like the schematic says, nothing happens, and they're supposed to react to an MPU 6050 um, gyroscope chip. And so I even tried to hook up just one, just like I showed you a second ago, that motor I have hooked up to Arduino Nano and the 6050, the MPU 6050, and I still couldn't make it work. And so I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I'm not getting anywhere from the NIDEC company either. And I haven't found anything on the internet. Some of the instructions there on some of these motors, they don't match my numbers. And I assume that these are probably some custom jobbies. And it basically, this motor, the one that I'm holding in my hand with the 12 wires, uh, these motors, they have built in all kinds of fancy controls that you can tell even where the rotation is at, and stuff like that. And it uses PWM for to control the individual motor. But no matter what I did, I just couldn't figure it out. And so, if anybody out there knows, I would really appreciate it. And let me know what where to look, or leave it in the notes, and I can even give you my private email address or something like that if that's what you need. But for now, I'm stuck. So, I've been working on this project for several months now, and I didn't get anywhere, unfortunately. I printed all the 3D parts, and I have the cube all assembled behind me, but no go. And so maybe the guy who made the cube will see this video, and maybe he'll give me a hint or help or something. But when I contacted him about these 12 fire ones, he says that's a completely wrong one. So I went on eBay, or AliExpress, I'm sorry, and I bought the one with the 8 wires, just like in his schematic. Unfortunately, no matter what I hooked it up, uh, it didn't work. And so I'm a little bit frustrated, as you can tell. Well, thank you very much for listening to me. Have a fantastic day.